tired hands, and still you fed the dawn. One little heart to hold when all your plans were gone. Weary soul, teary eyes, broken roads, love gone, but you remained. Still you kept the door unlocked, still you called on the Most High. God sees every step you take, every night you stayed awake. He is near your trembling side. He will help you rise. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. Most High God will hold you when the hurt comes through. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. A sincere one will come and will stay true. This one will not run from storms and not turn away. Will understand your scars and honor where you prayed. The Lord gives morning bread. The Lord restores your song. What you thought was lost forever has been held all along. God sees every step you take, every night you stayed awake. He's near your trembling side. He will help you rise. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. Most High God will hold you when the hurt comes through. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. A sincere one will come and will stay true. Lift your eyes again. Your season is not done. Mercy is still moving, and brighter days will come. Trust the Most High God. He writes what pain erased. He keeps the lonely soul and crowns his child with his grace. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. Most High God will hold you when the heart comes through. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. A sincere one will come and will stay true. Most High God will hold you when the hurt comes through. There is hope for you. There is hope for you. A sincere one will come and will stay true.